National Children's Science Congress, also referred to as Children's Science Congress at the district and state levels, is the flagship program of National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC), Department of Science and Technology (DST), Government of India. The program aims at spreading the concept of the method of science among the children with their project activities, adopting the process of learning through doing, with the aim that in the long run it would benefit the society at large. In the year 2019, 9 projects from Mumbai district were selected for the national level of National Children's Science Congress. Aseem Gyan Vahini is launching a series of presentations of these 9 projects that were selected for national level and bagged 18 gold medals in the same. We consider ourselves fortunate to be one of those 9 projects that got selected for national level. I would now like to talk about our project and share our learnings with you. Myself, Kimaya Hadavre, studying in class 6, and my friend Sean Neri from class 7 from Udyachal High School, Vikhroli, got an opportunity to work on this project under the guidance of our teacher, Miss Sheetal Satre. Challenges associated with human hair waste and its disposal. So the major challenge associated with hair waste disposal is that 1. The treatment of hair waste by burning is hazardous to human health as well as to the environment. On the other hand, human hair is completely biodegradable, but it is a slow process due to the harsh nature of keratin present in the hair. The title of our research is Extracting Melanin from Human Hair Waste for Making Inks or Paints. Objective of our project: to utilize human hair waste as a resource, to obtain melanin pigment from hair waste which otherwise goes waste, to devise an eco-friendly method of using the melanin pigment, to suggest a method wherein the pigment can be extracted easily. Now let us have a look at the experimentation of our project. Our project was conducted in 2 main stages: extracting melanin and the ink making process. For extracting melanin, we made use of a method called hydrolysis. We used 2 types of hydrolysis: acid hydrolysis and alkali hydrolysis. Now my friend Sean will further explain the project.
The apparatus that we used during our project were the sonicator, magnetic stirrer, the analytical balance, and the laboratory hot air oven. The procedure of our project went like this. We first cut the hair and then weighed it on the analytical balance. Then we added HCl and NaOH to the hair samples separately. We then sonicated the samples. We took the sonicated samples and heated them with a magnetic stirrer. We let the samples to cool down and then afterwards we filtered them. We took the filter paper and dried it in the laboratory hot air oven. We scraped the melanin pigments from the filter paper and then mixed it with linseed oil. And in the end we got our ink. Out of the total amount of hair collected, we had obtained 10% of melanin from it. We had done a comparative study of conventional ink pigments versus the obtained melanin pigments. The results that we had incurred were that the conventional ink contains toxic heavy metals in large quantities as compared to the obtained melanin pigments. Melanin from human hair waste can be extracted by hydrolysis method. Sonication helps to reduce time taken for hydrolysis. Alkali hydrolysis is better than acid hydrolysis, and melanin can be used as a pigment in making ink.
Journey of the project. We were very excited when we came to know that we would be participating in the NCSC competition. It was an amazing opportunity for us as students as well as the teachers. We got to learn a lot of new things. All the projects had to go through tough evaluation and competition, after which 9 projects were selected for the national level. The very first level was the scrutiny level, wherein the written data of the project made by the students was to be evaluated. The projects were evaluated and the selected projects were then sent for the zonal level. The qualified projects were then competing at the district level. The district level was held at Amulak Amichan School in Matunga. Here, we had to compete with all the other projects that were selected for this level. The evaluation was made on the basis of our explanation and on how we answer the questions with the help of charts made by the students. The zonal and the pre-state levels were critically evaluated on the basis of our research thesis. The state level was held at Samarth Education Institute in Belhe, Pune. The state level was conducted for 3 days. The competition was very tough at this level, but we got to learn a lot as we got to see each other's project. All the projects were very interesting and unique in their own way. Along with the science projects, a poster competition was also held, which received great praise and acknowledgement from everyone. We thoroughly enjoyed the competition and were anxious for the results to be announced. After the state level, 9 projects were selected for the national level, which was held at Mar Ivinois College in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Overall, the whole NCSC project was a great learning experience. The efforts and hard work put in by the teachers and students were worth it. But this event wouldn't have been successful without the support and guidance of B.B. Jadhav sir, who was always there for us and made this event possible. It gives immense sense of satisfaction when our work is recognized and appreciated. Our project had won many awards at various platforms and was also highly appreciated by the media. At state level, one of the dignitaries was highly impressed by our project idea of making ink out of hair waste and congratulated us on thinking out of the box. At national level, our project was published in the newsletter. In the month of February 2020, national level winners and gold medalists were felicitated at SM Shetty School, Powai. It was an honor to see our work being recognized, appreciated, and felicitated. This research project would not have been possible without the help, support, and guidance of many people. To begin with, we would like to express our deepest sense of gratitude to our trustee, Mrs. Smita Godrej Krishna, who's always been a great source of inspiration for us. We are extremely thankful to our principal, Mrs. Rekha Pandey, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this research project. We would also like to thank our supervisor, Mrs. Jaysheela Agadi, for her constant guidance and support. A big thank you to Mrs. Sujata, HOD of Chemistry Department, VJTI, and Professor Mr. Yogeshwar at VJTI, who guided us in conducting detailed research, and we got to explore so many new things in the process. We are really thankful to them. We are also grateful to Gadag Lab for providing us with the analysis reports of the given samples. Our deep sense of appreciation to Navnirman Vigyan Prabodhan, the Mumbai-based coordinating body of NCSC projects, and Shri Balasaheb Jadhav, the Mumbai division head of the NCSC, for their immense support throughout our journey, right from the initial stages to our project till the national level. Thank you